Up for sale, 1965 Galaxie 500 convertible. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you're enjoying the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 65 Galaxie convertible. Finished in factory colors. 352, automatic, power steering, power brakes, power top. And as always, go around and tell you everything I do know about it, put on anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. So of course, we'll start here in the front as always. And it's believed to be original paint and original miles. Mileage showing 64,893, which you look at how nice the floors are underneath, how nice the body is, and I guess by examining the paint, I could believe it to be. And if that is the case, very well maintained. But anyway, let's start here in the front as always. Focusing on the bumper, I assume the chrome has been replaced at some point, because this looks too nice to be original, if that makes sense. But I see a little, you know, like a chip in the chrome there. But up here, chrome looks super nice. Bezels, grille, all that. That definitely looks to be original and well kept. Focusing here on hood fitment, lines up super nice. Little stone chip right there, but this looks nice. Another little one. The rest of it looks nice. Going down. I've never had one of these before, so again, just checking off bucket list cars here. A little mark on the hood, but this is all super nice in there. All the glass is nice. The top is fantastic. No rips in the top. Glass back window. Oh, we see a little on the hood there. And again, when I'm thinking original paint, that chip is so clean and it's just metal right there. Another sign. It's got the original door tag in it, which is naturally faded. I mean, you could just buy these and repop them, no paint over it. All this in here is so clean and original. I mean, that's original wear right there. That hasn't been, you know, resprayed. And the bolts aren't painted over either. And it's not like it's a $80,000 car that you don't want to, you know, paint over the bolts. So I'm just thinking about that. But here we go. Here's the original 352. Power steering, power brakes, which actually looks to be relatively new. Now let me stick my head underneath. Yeah, just power brakes. They're a power drum. 4-barrel carburetor on there. And again, look how clean it is in here. Aluminum radiator, that's just a bonus. You see how nice that is there? Firewall looks fantastic. I mean, it's low mileage ideas here. Stock exhaust manifolds, but it's got super nice exhaust. It's got a nice rumble to it. So, under hood also original paint. So here we go. Actually, the hubcaps were off the car. We put them on. The steel wheels themselves were just powder coated, and he was rocking that just steel wheel blackout look. It was good, but the hubcaps are, you know, on a nice, you know, car like this, I think they belong more. You see some little marks here on the door, stuff like that. That rocker panel is really nice all the way back. Glass and trim, really nice. No cracks in the glass. No cracks in the windshield. Trim is super nice. Like this piece right here looks really, really nice when you get up on that. And again, no rips in the top, like I said. So opening it up, you got your factory black interior, column shift. Not really, you know, far from how it should be in here, with the exception of a couple of added gauges and a radio. Nicely done underneath the dash. Here's your door panel here. You see a little peeling on this, but that's common on the little silver trim. But then looking here at the door jamb, I mean, that screams original. Same with this here. You know, not painted over. A couple little marks here, of course, but not, you know. Bench seat, very nice. which was, I was also told, original interior, which going along with everything else that I'm seeing makes sense. Carpet is nice and clean, and I have floor mats that I'm going to throw inside of it that they came with, but I thought the carpet looked so nice. It's one of those old school where it starts here and it goes over, and then I have two for the back. Factory steering wheel. Dash is nice and original here. You see a little bit of, you know, natural wear here. I love that kind of stuff on just original cars. You know, here from when you turn it, your finger rubs and stuff like that. No cracks in the dash. That stainless piece there is nice. And there's your, you know, a couple added stuff here. Pioneer radio, a couple added gauges. Because again, you know, you're dealing with lights. You know, you want information as you're going. The convertible top boot is in the back where it should be. I folded it back so you can see how, you know, mint the back seat is. Door panels in the back both look great. We'll keep going down the driver's side here. Little mark right there, just like a little pencil size things. And then moving on to the bumper here. Nicer than the front bumper. See a little scratch right here. That's about the worst mark on the car. But the fitment here is nice. And this blue is such a pretty color too. See a little mark right here. Nope, I guess that wasn't the right key. I love the way the back trunk is finished. Mats, spare, jack, tire iron. Always nice to see. And it's got the blue aqua or blue black aqua spatter in here. All original again. Look how nice it is over here when you look. And then when you lift up the lid there, that's all original. All original. Super cool. And again, original, you know, under here too, because again, there would have been something different. Original metal all the way around. And look how nice this finish is in here. And look at that stamping right there. Both sides for that matter. But like I said, it's believed to be original paint. If it turned out to be a one repaint, that could make sense, that's why. But if that is the case, attention to detail, you know, not painting over the bolts and stuff like that, like I keep mentioning. Two little marks right there. You see this, like a little bit of glue that seeped down from putting this piece on. But the rest of the rocker looks super nice there. Little mark right there in the door, a little tiny one there. Look how nice the metal is there. Going up. Not painted over. Not painted over. No paint lines around here. Look at that stamping there on the body. But like I said, it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you'd like to go ahead and check it out. 65 Galaxie 500 convertible, finished in factory colors. 352 automatic, power steering, power brakes, power top. Couple little marks on that line there, but then you see how nice the fitment is of the door. But anyway, we are going to fire it up now and then drive it. Thank you. Okay? I didn't even record it. Well, you see it goes up and down for the most part. Okay, now do it. There you go. Jump the gun. Reverse lights work. I was looking at you, I'm like, why'd you slow down? And I look at the lady across the road. Yeah, I don't know.
Now, which is the drive? The green?
The green is the drive. I had a feeling you didn't know, and I was gonna tell you that, but I'm like, he'll figure it out.
I had it in that, then I brought it up.
The only reason I know the green is the drive because that 62 Galaxie we got, those, what is that, 3.5 years ago? The guy told me that was where you actually drive it. Yeah.
I'm going to take it right behind Jeffrey.
Good idea. Yeah, because I turned it around while you were gone.
Because I'll take it to the factory in the morning.
Yeah, I turned it around while you were gone.